I'll show you how the analyzer classifies a disturbance automatically the moment the file loads. Just load the files. No manual input required. As soon as the record is loaded, the analyzer identifies the disturbance class, the fault type, and assigns a confidence level based on phase behavior. The classifier also distinguishes magnetizing inrush from genuine faults, which is one of the most common misclassification risks in practice, and it goes further. Fault inception, first protection pickup, and trip command are extracted and time-stamped automatically from the digital and analog channels. A brief summary is available on Hover directly from the menu, so you get the key facts without opening the full panel. Sequence components are computed from the record as well, giving you an immediate read on the fault character without any reprocessing. And when you are ready to document the event, the full classification is available as an exportable engineering report ready to share or file. The export format can be HTML for immediate on-the-browser analysis, or as a doc for further editing and addition. If you wish to see a demo report, select it in the drop-down menu at no cost. No manual setup, no reprocessing. From file to first interpretation in seconds. The link to the tool is in the comment below. In the next video, you'll see the complete analysis workflow from start to finish.